Hey guys, I hope you all know that Anthropic recently announced Claude 3.7 Sonnet, the first hybrid reasoning model. But before talking about Claude 3.7 Sonnet's performance, how does it work, its capabilities, let's understand about reasoning models a little bit, right? So it is well known that language models and other NLP models struggle with reasoning, especially multi-step reasoning. But today, these AI models and systems have evolved with the introduction of reasoning models. So what exactly are reasoning models then? So the reasoning models are the LLMs designed to simulate a human-like thought process before finalizing any output or an answer. So instead of producing an output immediately, they go through or generate a hidden chain of thought, an internal step-by-step breakdown of the problem or a task that helps them tackle complex tasks or problems more accurately and deeply. So that's about the reasoning model. So reasoning models have become very important because they enable AI systems to tackle very complex problems that require multi-step logical thinking. So to give you some examples, right, OpenAI's O1 model is one of the best reasoning models, and Anthropic's Claude, right, what we are talking today. It's also the hybrid model, Claude 3.7 Sonnet. We'll talk more about it. One more example would be XAI's Grok 3, right? Which offers multiple reasoning modes and DeepSeek R1. How can we forget that? A cost-effective model emphasizing multi-step reasoning. So these are some of the examples. Why are we talking about these reasoning models today? Because, like I said, right, Anthropic just made their biggest announcement in a while with the release of Claude 3.7 Sonnet, an advanced reasoning model, hybrid reasoning model, uh, the most advanced AI model that features hybrid reasoning, state of the art coding capabilities, and an extended 200K context window. How cool is that, right? So these features make it as one of the best models available today. And the interesting thing about Claude 3.7 Sonnet is that it introduces the thinking mode, which lets users to see the model's thought process. And yeah, so let's see Claude 3.7 Sonnet's performance and its capabilities through a simple experiment. As you can see, I went ahead to Claude.ai and then I selected the Claude 3.7 Sonnet. And then I asked the model to help me build a customer support agent with a step-by-step tutorial, including all the code. So as you can see, here is the complete walkthrough and the code provided by Claude 3.7 Sonnet. And the code worked perfectly fine, and I can show you the output in a while. So this is the project structure. It told me to create config.py, chatbot.py to handle all the things, and then app.py, Streamlit interface for the chatbot, and .env for the API key, right? So it gave me everything, a step-by-step procedure, starting from the scratch of like create, make a directory, and then pip install Anthropic Streamlit, python.env to store the Anthropic API key, and as you can see, it gave me all the code here, right? I went ahead, copied everything, and to see how this thing works, and it also gave me the troubleshooting guide if something goes wrong. So I copied everything, and at the end, I ran Streamlit run app.py, and let me show you how that basically went. So as you can see, I copied all the code given by Claude 3.7 Sonnet, the .env file. We have the Anthropic API key there and app.py, and then we have the chatbot.py, config.py. Hope you know where we copied from here, that we asked the model 3.7 Sonnet to create a customer support agent with step-by-step tutorial. So it gave all these things, and we copied everything, and everything is ready. So let's run this to see how does it work. So Streamlit. So as you can see, localhost 8501, everything is ready. The app is running properly with all the code. Sunny Insurance Assistant. So hello, I'm Eva, your virtual assistant from Sunny Insurance. How can I help you today? So let's ask, hey, I'm buying a new car. Can you help me with the insurance? So Eva is thinking, it is generating a proper answer. So yeah, I mean, as you can see, I'd be happy to help you get insurance for your new car, blah blah blah. So it needs all these things. So yeah, I can also do a lot more queries and prompts and ask a lot of things. What about sample code? So Eva is again thinking. Um, so it needs all these things. Just remember that following information is required for any code, right? Uh, Let me give a proper answer. Right? Just take this. Make of the vehicle 2008. Model name Toyota. Year of manufacture is like 2018. Sorry, 2000. Current mileage. I don't know. I'm gonna give like 20. Uh, Driver's age 30. Let's see. Eva is thinking. Yeah, you have listed it. I noticed there might be some confusion in the details provided. Let me help clarify. You have listed 2000 as the make, but they appears to be a year. The make would be the manufacturer's name, like Toyota. Oh, okay, I got it. So it is. I gave something wrong while creating a prompt, and it is actually telling me what wrong I did, and it is also telling me that hey, you gave me something wrong here. So yeah, I mean, everything is working perfectly fine. I'm really impressed with what the Claude 3.7 Sonnet has given, all the code and the example. I mean, yeah, I mean, you can just go ahead with Claude 3.7 Sonnet, ask it to create a personal assistant, AI agent, chatbot. I think it'll be super helpful. Thanks.